Hey guys, today we're going to be making Cowboy Caviar. It's a super easy dish that will be a great appetizer to bring to all the holiday parties that are coming up here. Today I'm going to be using canned vegetables, but of course you can always use fresh vegetables, especially from the garden is always super good. I'm going to get everything here prepared, but I will put the recipe below for you guys so that you guys can also make it at home. There you have it. A super easy, super delicious appetizer to bring to all those summer parties.